Nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, lies the enchanting city of Chiniot. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Chiniot is not just a city. It's a living museum that tells the story of centuries gone by. This historical city, often referred to as the City of Saints, is renowned for its spiritual significance. The shrines and mosques here are not just places of worship, but also architectural masterpieces that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. Walking through the streets of Chiniot, one can feel the spiritual aura that has been preserved through generations. Chiniot is a captivating blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The city comes alive during its numerous cultural festivals and traditional events, where locals and visitors alike can experience the vibrant traditions and customs of Punjab. These events are a testament to the city's enduring cultural legacy. Situated on the banks of the Chenab River, Chiniot boasts fertile lands that have supported agriculture for centuries. The lush greenery and fertile farmlands are a sight to behold, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Chenab River itself is a lifeline for the region, providing water for irrigation and sustaining the local ecosystem. Chiniot's vibrant cultural heritage is also reflected in its architectural marvels. The city is famous for its intricate woodwork and beautifully designed buildings that date back centuries. These structures are a testament to the craftsmanship and artistic skills of the people of Chiniot. The historical mansions and mosques, with their detailed carvings and elegant designs, are a visual treat for anyone who appreciates art and history. Despite its many attractions, Chiniot remains relatively unexplored compared to other major cities in Pakistan. The streets are less crowded and the pace of life is slower, making it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the tourist crowds and experience the authentic charm of Punjab. This makes Chiniot a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The city is full of undiscovered natural spots and hidden cultural sites that offer a unique and enriching experience. Whether it's exploring the serene landscapes or delving into the rich history and culture, Chiniot has something for everyone. Its unique blend of natural wonders and cultural treasures offers a unique and enriching experience for travelers seeking something off the beaten path. For those who venture to this hidden gem, Chiniot promises an unforgettable journey through time, culture, and nature. The majestic Chenab River, one of the 5 rivers of Punjab, flows gracefully alongside Chiniot, breathing life into the city and its surrounding areas. Its waters, a source of irrigation for the fertile lands, have nourished civilizations for centuries. The riverbank teems with activity, with local fishermen casting their nets and children playing along its shores. The gentle sound of flowing water provides a soothing soundtrack to the city's vibrant atmosphere. The Chenab River is not just a geographical feature, it's the lifeline of Chiniot, shaping its landscape, culture, and history. The fertile land surrounding Chiniot, nourished by the Chenab River, has earned the region recognition as an agricultural heartland. The climate, characterized by hot summers and cool winters, proves ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. Fields of golden wheat, vibrant green rice paddies, and white cotton fields paint a picturesque landscape. Farmers, the backbone of Chiniot's economy, work tirelessly to cultivate these crops, ensuring food security and contributing to the region's prosperity. Beyond its agricultural abundance, Chiniot boasts a diverse ecosystem, particularly along the banks of the Chenab River. The riverine forests and wetlands provide a haven for a variety of flora and fauna. Migratory birds, including herons, kingfishers and ducks, flock to the wetlands, creating a symphony of bird songs. The area also supports a variety of small mammals like jackals and rodents, as well as reptiles like monitor lizards and various snake species. The rich biodiversity of Chiniot adds another layer to its allure, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Section 5, The Art of Chiniot, Woodworking and Craftsmanship. Chiniot holds a distinguished reputation for its exquisite woodworking and furniture carving traditions, skills passed down through generations. The city's artisans, renowned for their meticulous craftsmanship, transform wood into intricate masterpieces. Inspired by Mughal and Islamic designs, they create stunning pieces of furniture, doors, windows, and decorative items. Chinioti furniture, known for its durability and intricate details, is highly sought after both locally and internationally. Section 6, Architectural Marvels, Mosques, Havelis, and the Chiniot Fort. The architectural landscape of Chiniot stands as a testament to its rich history and cultural heritage. This city, nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders that spans centuries. From the grandeur of its mosques to the elegance of its havelis, Chiniot offers a glimpse into the artistic and cultural achievements of its past inhabitants. The city boasts a remarkable collection of mosques, temples, and ancient havelis, each whispering tales of a bygone era. These structures are not just buildings, they are storytellers, narrating the history, culture, and traditions of the people who once thrived here. The mosques, with their serene courtyards and intricate calligraphy, invite visitors to pause and reflect. The Jamia Masjid, with its towering minarets and intricate brickwork, stands as a beacon of Islamic architecture. Built during the Mughal era, this mosque is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. The detailed brickwork and the symmetry of its structure are a testament to the skills of the artisans who built it. Each minaret, each arch, and each tile tells a story of devotion and artistic excellence. The Chiniot fort, though partially in ruins, still commands attention, reminding visitors of the city's strategic importance in the past. This fort, perched on a hill, offers a panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. It was once a formidable stronghold, protecting the city from invaders. Today, its weathered walls and crumbling towers stand as silent witnesses to the battles and events that shaped Chiniot's history. The narrow, winding streets lead to ancient havelis adorned with intricate wood carvings, showcasing the city's architectural prowess. These havelis, with their ornate balconies and beautifully carved doors, reflect the opulence and lifestyle of the wealthy merchants who once lived here. Walking through these streets is like stepping back in time, where every corner holds a piece of history waiting to be discovered. The wood carvings in particular are a highlight, displaying a level of detail and artistry that is truly remarkable. Section 7. A tapestry of cultures and celebrations. Chiniot is a melting pot of cultures where various ethnic groups coexist harmoniously, contributing to the city's vibrant social fabric. This cultural diversity is reflected in the various languages spoken, the clothes worn, and the festivals celebrated. From the lively celebrations of Eid to the colourful festivities of Holi and Diwali, Chiniot comes alive throughout the year. The city's cultural tapestry, woven with threads of tradition, religion and heritage, offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of its people. Section 8. Exploring beyond Chiniot Kangra Dam and Mughal treasures. Venturing beyond the city limits of Chiniot opens up a world of nearby attractions. The Kangra Dam, a short distance away, offers a picturesque setting for picnics and fishing, allowing visitors to reconnect with nature. The remnants of Mughal-era architecture scattered across the province provide a glimpse into the grandeur of the past. These historical sites, with their intricate designs and captivating stories, serve as a reminder of the region's rich historical legacy. Section 9. Chiniot, a journey to remember. Chiniot, with its harmonious blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city is a treasure trove of history and culture waiting to be explored. The first thing that strikes you about Chiniot is its picturesque landscape, where the lush greenery meets the serene waters of the Chenab River. The city is not just about natural beauty, it is also a testament to the architectural brilliance of the past. The havelis, with their intricate wood carvings, stand as a reminder of the city's rich heritage. From the flowing waters of the Chenab River to the intricate carvings on ancient havelis, every corner of Chiniot tells a story. The river, with its gentle flow, provides a sense of calm and tranquility, making it a perfect spot for reflection and relaxation. The havelis, on the other hand, are a marvel of craftsmanship. Each carving on the wood tells a tale of the artisan's dedication and skill. Walking through these historical structures, one can almost hear the whispers of the past, echoing through the corridors. Whether exploring the city's architectural wonders, immersing oneself in the local culture, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the riverbank, a journey to Chiniot is a journey to remember. The local culture is vibrant and welcoming, with festivals and traditions that have been passed down through generations. Participating in these cultural activities gives visitors a deeper understanding of the city's soul. The riverbank, with its serene environment, offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a place where one can sit for hours, watching the world go by and feel a sense of peace and contentment. It's a destination that stays with you long after you've left, beckoning you to return and rediscover its hidden treasures. The sunsets over Chiniot are particularly mesmerizing, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, creating a perfect backdrop for reflection. As you leave Chiniot, you carry with you not just memories, but a piece of the city's heart. The hidden gems of Chiniot, both cultural and natural, ensure that every visit is a new adventure, a new story waiting to be told.